Hello friends, do you want to go live on a Facebook group you joined or one you've created? This video will show you how to do that. Open the Facebook app on your device, then you tap on the three horizontal lines at the bottom right corner of the screen to open your menu. Tap on Groups. Now you tap on your groups at the top of the screen. Here you see all your groups, both the ones you created and the ones you've joined. Now to select the group where you want to share your Facebook Live, you tap on the group. Then you tap on Write Something. Now you swipe up the list of options below to open more menu and you tap on Live Video. You can add description to your live videos, you can customize the videos, you can add locations to them, you can bring a friend and so on, just simply by tapping the horizontal line at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here you can add description, add location, bring friends and so on. However, you cannot adjust the privacy settings because it's a group, so it's visible to everyone on the group. Once you finish setting up your live video, you tap on the Go Live button below to begin your live video. Once you're done, you click End Live Video. You can view the posts and also create clips from your videos. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe for more tips. Bye.